Okay, here we do the potatoes again. Because I'm going to need margarine. I use these ingredients now. I've already added salt, pepper, and ginger. You're not believing me? Ginger. And we're not talking about the woman on Gilligan's Island. Okay. The reason why is because it goes very well with potatoes. It goes well with pretty much any type of potato. The only one I haven't tried it is a baked potato. That's something that you could also try doing. A baked potato to go along with your steak. Always tastes delicious. And with a microwave at your disposal, it also means that you have less of an issue to actually do it. Now, you need a potato smasher. This one is supposed to be made of iron, but I don't believe it. Especially because I can actually bend it back. And you mash them about after draining it of water. Because trust me, watery mashed potatoes don't taste as good. You can also do it through a ricer, potato ricer, if any one of you actually seen that. It's a device that you actually put the potato in, 2 levers, and then you squeeze. It makes very minute rice potatoes. I'm not a big fan of riced potatoes, never been. And I use 2% milk. You can use cream if you really wish. Butter if you're not someone who is lactose intolerant. But my grandmother has always made it with milk, and until the day I die, that's going to be the way I'm going to be making mine. That's ready, or at least it looks to be. You have to love licking stuff once in a while. I know I'm a mess, but it's delicious.